Welcome to 201 West Bonnell Street in Oxford, Georgia. Check out this beautifully done kitchen, completely remodeled with granite countertops, as well as a butcher block counter on the island and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen opens into the living room, which allows for great entertaining and a very open floor plan. Down the hallway, you have a full bath, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. There's so much light in this house, it's great. And then this is the larger bedroom. Look at these floors. Aren't they beautiful? And then right across the hall, you have an area for a stackable washer and dryer. On the other side of the house, you have a great bonus area. That has exposed brick, which gives it some great character, as well as a full bath. If you wanted to turn this into an owner's suite, all you would have to do is add a wall right there, which is very inexpensive to do, and create some closet space. And then just put in a door. And you have a good size owner suite that also has a door that leads out to the back deck. If you're interested, give us a call.